right act, letting them live their dreams. In fact, they roll so fast like the Ferrari track, with energy that never seems to lack. All distractions in their heart, even running when the skies are dark. Pulling the car is their favorite part. Sled dogs take you far from the start, especially when it's on the ice, mushing through the snow so nice. Wolf driving such a thrill. You'll be flying with the skill. You'll be flying as they roar. You'll be screaming more and more. Puppies, let's fly it some more. Wolf driving's a thrill for sure. You'll be leading the team ahead. You'll forever crave the sled, burning tread and feeling sped. Wolf driving's a thrill, I say. Lows on the red line when they run, dealing with the sled dog fun. That's a promise till it's done, or risk a life you can't outrun. Dogs ride these rules as they pull tight, trucking through the day and night. Endless drive to feel the light. Wolf drivers design so right. You'll be flying as the roar. You'll be screaming more and more. You'll be screaming more and more. Puppies, let's